In today's video, we will see how to adjust ASUS monitor settings, brightness, color, overdrive or gaming preset. So firstly, we will see how to open a menu. So press the menu or joystick button on the back or bottom of the ASUS monitor. Then the on-screen display menu will be open. After that, here you can simply adjust the brightness. So go to color or image section, select brightness, then increase or decrease using the joystick or buttons. Then press OK or exit to save. After that, you can open image or gaming menu in the adjust overdrive settings. Here you can select overdrive or trace free, then select level 60 to 80 is usually best, and then press OK. After that, we will see adjust color settings. So open color menu, choose color temp or warm, normal, cool, then or select RGB to adjust red, green or blue manually, then press OK and then apply. And at last, we will see enable gaming preset. So firstly, go to game visual or gaming, then choose a preset, means FPS, RTS, RPG, facing cinema or sRGB. Then press OK to activate. Goodbye.